Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling bedside mode on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Bedside mode is the ability to use your Apple Watch as a bedside clock while it's charging. If you have an alarm set, your watch will gently brighten in the minutes leading up to your alarm. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Bedside Mode. Then tap the toggle to turn bedside mode on or off. When the toggle is green, bedside mode is enabled, and when grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.